YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Now another unboxing for you guys. A white van arrived outside my property this morning and handed me this. No idea what's in it, absolutely no idea. Of course I know what's in it, it's down there, isn't it? That's it, it says it, down there in the description. This of course is a Hoover Senior 652A. So we're going to unbox it for you guys because we know how much you like unboxing. And it's my second unboxing. It would have been my third, but that failed. So, why did I buy myself a Senior? Well, basically, as you saw in my previous video, I went to Hoover Luxes to get my Hoover Junior U1012 refurbed, and while I was there I demoed his Senior, his only Senior 652. Anyway, as you saw, I demoed it and I loved it so much I said I was going to buy one. I honestly said I'm going to buy one. Well, here we are, YouTubers. I did go out and buy one, and this is it. This is, put it here. Ooh, something poking at me straight away. Okay. So, straight away in the bag we've got some vacuum cleaner bags, which are to fit Seniors. I think I've got these. 652, 652A. There we go, that's me happy. So some vacuum cleaner bags, very nice. Okay. Very well packed here. Well, we have it's quite clean. A Senior bag, original. This is the olive green. Definitely. Lots of cardboard here, which is quite useful. It has been packed very well indeed, absolutely. Ooh. These will be the handles. Yeah, really missing a lot of paint on them, but not bad condition. Your bag holder. Right. They are they're very nastily loose, but should be able to hold it in, and a very nice Hoover handle. Not bad, so that's that. Okay, you've got an empty box here, that's good. Some padding, that's great stuff. Oh yes, it's been packed very well, this. Now the main event. Ooh, ow. Ooh, it's heavy. And here we go. A very large Hoover Senior 652A. Cable. Okay, so we're going to bring you closer onto this. So here we go, a Hoover Senior 652A. We're going to have a look at it. So the handle bail seems okay. Very nice. Very used. Very used indeed. What's that? It's on the machine here. No idea. Wow. So model 652A GT610177. I would have thought this is 60s anyway, I imagine, isn't it? So something's not particularly right. We're going to have a look at this. That's a bit dusty. Belt's on its last legs. That is about to go. So we need some senior belts. Oh, that's a shame. It is about to go, that. About to snap, that will. Oh, they're clumped in loads of filth. Okay, so we're going to give this a bit of a MVQ 200C into. Because it's a bit mucky. Okay. Maybe we would be eventually. Okay, it's just well worn, is what it is. Does need a new belt, a new senior belt, which I can easily get. So the only thing we'll be able to do is a very short demo for this. It's nope. Is it there? That's almost split on the front as well. There we go. Now. There we go. Okay, so we're going to put it together and see how it goes. But yeah, looking at it, there's a few cracks here and there. That's cracked there. Rubber's going here. Bodywork is missing paint and scratch, but that's repairable. Right, let's put this thing together then. So I can gather this is a 60s machine. This is a 60s machine. As I said, I've never dealt with seniors before. The only reason why this has been purchased is because of the fantastic influence of Dorian's Senior that it had on me. Okay. These are completely different setups to the Juniors. That goes somewhere. Right, okay. Show you guys. I just don't know myself, I'm guessing. Yeah, it needs a clean. It needs a very good clean. The metal's not in bad condition. There's no rust, which is good. It's just badly worn. Okay, right, so we're going to do that. I mean, I'll show you the seller on eBay where I got it from. It does show it working, the lights on, the bag's inflated, so it does prove that it works. But it's nice to find out yourself. It might even want a new cable as well, actually, looking at it. Goes on that side, doesn't it? Yeah. Does it go to the side? Yeah, it must do. Does that go the opposite way round? I don't know. That looks more better. So it goes there, does it? Yeah, it does. Okie dokie. As I say, completely new to Seniors. Yeah, anyway, as I was saying, the Senior that I did, I ticked on my channel of Dorian's, was so impressive to me that I just had to buy one. And there were several floating on eBay. There's still several now floating on eBay. And I went for the one that does delivery and, well, works basically. And it was quite cheap. I paid 40 quid for this. £10 postage. So it's not bad. I just hope I'm doing it right, lad. Just hope it's all going to plan. Because I don't want to get it wrong. Right, now what's very interesting is I've never put a bag on one of these before, so I really have no idea. But I'm guessing the back is the zip. Oh, it's a genuine hoover bag as well. Oh yeah, the inside of the bag is a mint. It's alright then. Now what we're going to do, must be a lip. Oh, there is. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's great. That's good. Ow. Right. Check this cable over, double check that there's no nasties. And there's a bit of, Yeah, I think we will replace this. Oh, yeah, the new cable. Wants a new cable, this. But we shall plug it in. And hopefully we're gifted with beautiful sound. Okay, so this is my first ever Senior 652A. Going to see what it can do. Well, there we go, YouTubers. Thanks for watching my very first Hoover Senior 652A. It will take a trip to Hoover Lux for a refurb. Do the best as we can. It's badly scratched. It's got paint missing. There's a I think it's the bush bar, but the whole front is vibrating like hell. I think it's brush bar, and it needs a new belt. That's not a problem. The light works. The cable needs replacing. The bag is pretty good. It inflates as it should. The metal needs polishing, cleaning up, and the motor bearings just need a good greasing. I believe that is all it needs, and then I should think it will sound beautiful and mint. So, like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.